Hey everyone, if your controller isn't working in Borderlands 4 on PC, don't worry. In this video I'll walk you through several proven solutions to get your gamepad detected and working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Borderlands 4. Right-click it and select Properties. On the left, click on the Controller tab. Find the Override for Borderlands 4 drop-down menu and select Enable Steam Input. Launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back and select Disable Steam Input, then try again. Solution 2. Open Steam and click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Here, check only what you actually use. If you use an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If it doesn't work, try disabling it. If you use a PlayStation controller, look for PlayStation controller support. If it's set to not enabled, try enabling it in games without support. Do the same if you have a Switch controller or a generic controller. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver for better compatibility. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad, right-click it, and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. This refreshes the connection and often fixes detection issues. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click your gamepad again. Select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your gamepad driver and press Next. Wait for the driver to finish installing. Once it's installed, launch Borderlands 4 again and test your controller. And that's it. After following these solutions, your controller should be working properly in Borderlands 4 on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.